Where we at, son? What's going on?
I don't want to be here.
We're at Joann's. And guess what? 3 for $10. So I'm getting some. I'm thinking about doing an exclusive, like, little piece for the event that I am going to. So it's gonna be like winter timey. So maybe something like cute. So I got these. These are pretty wintry, right? These ones right here, pretty dang wintry. And then everybody loves stars. So I got these, and I think I'm going to make like a event exclusive piece with these. It's going to be winter time when this is happening, and also like these are super cute. I feel like they will like them. So let's go. So here's what it looks like. Yeah, it's pretty like basic, you know, it's a cute little phone charm. I'm planning on only making 5 of these just in case, you know, they don't sell, and I don't want it to be like, I just don't want too much like stock that I'm not going to be using, you know, because this is going to be exclusive. So I added on to my strawberry collection. I have a strawberry phone charm now, and I made 5 of these too, so I'll be selling these at the convention or the event as well, which I am pretty excited for. These are so cute. I really wish I had like more outfits that I could pair with these, but I just wear basic clothes. Blah, 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 blah. If you want to pick up the strawberry collection, it is live on my Etsy right now, so definitely go check it out. And if you use the discount code in my description, you get 15% off of your purchase. So here are the leftovers I have from UwuCon, and I'm just going to be selling like these, and I'm planning on making like a couple extra like designs too. I did start with only 3 earring designs, and I should have 6 total for my display. So I made this design, which is kind of like just simple, but it's a little bit darker, but also cute at the same time because it has a little bow on it. So I am waiting for earring cards to come in. I had to order some more because I ran out. I also have this design too. I feel like this might be a little too like simple, so I'm trying to think like what I can add to it to make it better, because I don't really want to have all of my earrings like this design where it has like a chain dangling, but I might just have to do that, honestly. And then I am working on this bracelet here right now so far, and it's just like a cute little star one. I'm trying to make more like edgy designs, more dark designs, because of First Friday coming up. Majority of my audience is on the gothic, like darker aesthetics, like, you know, scene and stuff. So I'm trying to make some more like that, because I don't know if they're gonna dig too much with all these like super cutesy designs. Starbucks trip, woohoo! Oh, look at my new shoes. Look at them, they're doggies, and they say bark, 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 bark. Look at the raccoon. I've been wanting to incorporate my own art into my jewelry business, so I'm just working on a few designs to send to a manufacturer, and then I'm just gonna get some samples in. If I like it, then this might be a thing. If I don't, then oh well. If you'd like to see a specific design, definitely let me know in the comments and I can start working on them. Also, if you're ever unmotivated to work, go to a cafe. So before the event, I'm thinking about setting up my display again and like kind of moving it around, because I didn't really like how it looked for UwuCon. I feel like it's just a little awkward, but I don't know, maybe I won't do that. So we'll see. Depends on how lazy I am. But today I'm just going to be worrying about making any other jewelry that I think needs to be there. So I think the demographic for this event is going to be more of like anime based. I'm not going to worry too much on the darker aesthetic pieces until maybe the week after the event, because I do have First Friday coming up, and you know, that's where the darker people go. So my Vistaprint order just came in. This is what my hair clip cards usually look like. And this is what I got. See, this is why you gotta pay attention to dimensions so that you avoid stuff like this. Because this really sucks. It's super pretty. I like the design that I did. But how am I gonna display these, man? They're so huge. What the frick? So I don't know. I'll have to figure something out. So... And then I also got earring cards too. But I unfortunately forgot to have them round the corners, so it's just kind of blocky. This is what they usually look like. They have, you know, the rounded corners. I feel like it looks really nice like that, but I don't know. We'll just have to see. I like the design though, with the pearls and stuff. I think it'll look really nice on my display. And then last but not least, I got some new business cards finally, because I've been out for so long. But I just have my YouTube, my Instagram, and my Etsy on here, and just like at Tonight Sam Jewelry. You should go ahead and follow me. Scan this QR code if you like. And then I added like this really pretty picture. I love this picture. Like I use it for everything basically. I really like how I edited this one, and I just use it for like a bunch of logos and stuff. Anyway, I think these turned out really well, and they have like a little like sheen to them. So I hope people will definitely see these and be like, ooh, I want this. And then it's my business card. You know.
Gotta get my stuff from my dad's garage. It's right there. I'm gonna bring it upstairs so that I can set up my display and try to make it to my liking. Because right now it's not to my liking, it's icky.
Okay, so I did in fact change these up. So I put little bows on them. They're alright. I think I like the shorter bows more than the longer ones. But I don't know. I don't know. So I'm going to put my display together. Not all of it, just because I really don't want to like put the whole table up because I'm lazy. So I'm just gonna put the panels onto here. I have a lot of this like shimmer vinyl. So I'm thinking about put some cute decorations on my display so I can use the rest of this up, because it's just taking a lot of space. Also this, oh yikes, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Hey Bailey, would you like to help me with my display? Would you like to help me set up my display? I'm numbering them because we got super confused last time, so this should help us. So I know I said it last time, but I'm gonna do it this time. I'm going to cricut a logo of cash, card, and like e-pay stuff right here, so that if they don't see this, they could see this, you know what I mean? And if they're wondering if I take cash, then I do. It'll say right here. I really hope my jewelry is just so beautiful, so mesmerizing that they can't see how horrible my display looks. Like the edges don't really come together very well, but you know, I'm sure it'll be fine. It'll be alright. I am planning on, once I start making more monies and start going to more events, I'm gonna do a whole new little setup over here. Sorry, my mom's in the Christmas spirit. I want to display this like differently so that people will see it and be like, oh, I want to buy it, because this one is the event exclusive piece. But I'm just not sure how I'm gonna do that. I'm thinking like maybe I have it over here on the end, and then I have like a little like piece right, or a little like sign right here that says event exclusive, so that people look at this and be like, oh, okay, this is event exclusive. I didn't sell any of these at the convention at all, so I'm thinking that I'm gonna have to end up using these as like the blind box thingies, you know, like mystery bag, mystery item. surprised, but this bracelet was actually a bestseller, which I didn't expect it because, you know, it's darker, but I guess everybody likes the edgier pieces. Let's go. No. Another thing I'm wanting to do is display these better, these necklaces, because I notice like whenever I'm at First Friday and I have my 10 by 10 set up, and I have one of the like little mannequin people, you know, then that's when people usually like to buy the necklaces. But I feel like because it's kind of hard to really visualize like what this is gonna look like, this one, because like it's, you know, the pearls are like all weird, but it actually looks like that on. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see it? It looks like that on, you know what I mean? I'll have to figure that out too. Another thing I want to put over here on my display is how these ribbon chokers are in-person exclusive, so like you can't get them online. Again, I don't know how I'm gonna do that because I want to make it so it's like next to the actual chokers, but like I think I'm just gonna have to start like displaying stuff off the side of the panels, which, you know, I think it'll be pretty. We'll see. Okay, I'm liking the display. I think it's cute. Oh, and I am going to be putting a sign here. I think it'd be easy to put like a little sign here that says sale items, and then it'll just have like some of the sale items on here. So, yo! Ooh, since these are so big, I could like just have like a sticker on here that says the actual like things I'm wanting to say, because, you know, these are so freaking big. Yeah, I actually don't know how I'm gonna be displaying these, like, because I don't want to like not use them because that was expensive, but like, how am I gonna do that? Before I start printing and cutting stuff, I'm gonna go ahead and work on this custom order that I have from a fellow small business that is gonna be there on Saturday. So, woohoo! All right. I'll put this in here. Oh, wrong way. Put this in here. Ooh, this part's broken. Uh-oh. Now we watch. Oh, actually, never mind. Let's go. Now we watch. Oh, now the other side is messed up. Oh, it's done already. Dang. Can't see it, but it's totally cut. Okay, so now I'm just gonna peel this off, and I'm gonna put it on some cardstock paper if I have any more, because I think I gave it to my dad and he may have thrown it away. Hopefully not. I'm going to have it cut. Oh. All right, I got some cardstock. Just going to cut it out so that it matches the ribbon right here. All right, let me go ahead and print out another one of these, and then put the vinyl adhesive on top of the two stacked ones, and then I'll be right back. I get these little hooks on Amazon, and they're super great, and they're actually pretty cheap too. Oh, perfect. That looks amazing right there. There we go. See, perfect. Just like that. I think that looks really good, and I think it's gonna look really good when it's completely displayed up, you know. Here is the display. It is finally done. I made that sign, those signs right there, and then that sign. Oh, and then this one. Yeah, it took me all day. It's nighttime now. My ribbon chokers are not available. You can read it. But yeah, so people know that these are not going to be on my Etsy, and the designs change out very often. I don't really like this right here, but we'll just have to use it either way. I do like this dangle part where you can see the phone charm really well, but this part I really just don't like. I feel like the event exclusive part just kind of looks awkward. So this one's my favorite though. Sale items, $2 off, keychains and foam charms. And then I'll have my, sale items down here, which are super cute, super pretty. And last but not least, buy two, get $5 off, both the earrings and the hair clips. I was gonna have it say that, but my Cricut like kind of messed up the font. So I just decided not to do it, and just hopefully they'll realize. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just pack up for tomorrow and everything, and then I'm gonna just sell some freaking jewelry tomorrow. So if you'd like to see the vlog of the actual event, definitely check it out. It should be up here or somewhere. Thank you for watching and wish me luck. Bye.